Hi friends, welcome to Learning Step by Step. Today, we're taking a trip to the beautiful island of Jamaica, where we'll learn the ABCs of food. Are you ready, kids? Let's go! A for Ackee. Ackee. B for Breadfruit. Breadfruit. C for Callaloo. Callaloo. D for Dasheen. Dasheen. Good job. E for Escovich fish. Escovich fish. F for festival. Festival. G for Guinep. Guinep. H for hog plum. Hog plum. I for Irish potato. Irish potato. You're amazing. J for jackfruit. Jackfruit. K for Kingfish. Kingfish. L for Lychee. Lychee. M for mango. Mango. N for Naseberry. Naseberry. You're doing great. O for Otaheite apple. Otaheite apple. P for pumpkin. Pumpkin. Q for quenchade. Quenchade. R for rose apple. Rose apple. S for soursop. Soursop. Good job. T for tamarind. Tamarind. U for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. V for Vienna sausage. Vienna sausage. W for watermelon. Watermelon. X for the X in Oxtail. Oxtail. You're amazing. Y for yam. Yam. Z for zest. Zest of lemon. Great job, kids. We did it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. See you soon.